Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make fast ice creams in slow juicer. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. All links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. We start with assembling our juicer. We use a sorbet insert instead of normal one. The ice cream will come out where the juice pulp normally goes. When the juicer is ready to work, throw frozen fruits into it. Bananas, mangoes, etc. If someone not sure whether the juicer will not be damaged by too hard fruits, it's better to wait until they defrost a bit. We can also use other fruits like blueberries or raspberries. When we throw blueberries in small amounts, we don't even have to defrost them. They are this small that they shouldn't do any harm to our juicer. We can also make chocolate ice creams. We throw some carob or cocoa to the juicer and we add some frozen bananas. Thanks to that, we achieve ice creams with chocolate taste. Our ice creams are ready to eat as soon as they come out to our bowl. Bon appetit!